Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. And what is your name?
My name is Ben.
Hello, Ben. And how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old. And what is your hobby?
I, I like football.
You like football? Good. So, Ben, this is your speaking test.
Yes,
Are you ready?
ready.
Yeah, okay. So, can you tell me, please, where's he from?
Britain. He's Britain.
Yeah,
See Thailand.
yeah,
He's Australia.
yeah,
He Malaysia.
yeah.
See Singapore.
Very good.
See Vietnam.
Yeah, very good. And could you tell me about Ken and his friends, please? So, who's this?
Alien
Yeah,
from Australia.
yeah,
10 years old.
yeah.
Like drawing.
Good. Who's this?
Kent. 9 years old.
Yeah,
From Thailand.
yeah.
Like swimming.
Very good. Who's this?
Sarah from Singapore. 10 years old. Like cooking.
Yeah, very good. Thank you. And can you tell me some of these times, please? So, what time is this?
3:20.
3:20. Yeah.
30 o'clock.
So 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Half past 30. Half past 7.
Yeah, perfect.
9:15.
Yeah, very good. Thank you very much. And could you tell me about the daily routine, please? So what happens here?
Get up.
Yeah.
With my face.
Yeah. What? Wash.
Wash my face.
Yeah.
This my
Brush.
brush my teeth.
Yeah.
Have bath.
Break.
First have
Breakfast.
breakfast.
Yeah. Get dressed.
Dress.
Yeah.
Let go to school.
Yeah.
Like
Eat.
is I learn.
Lunch.
Is
Dinner.
I think
Dinner.
dinner.
Yeah.
2 hours.
Yeah. Homework.
Homework.
Yeah. Go to
Go to
bed.
first.
Bed. Yeah, go to bed. Good. And can you tell me about your routine, please? So what time do you get up?
6 o'clock.
Yeah. What time do you go to school?
6:30.
Yeah. What time do you have breakfast?
6:10.
Yeah. And what time do you normally go to bed?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Very good. Thank you. And can you tell me, what do you do on a Wednesday?
When it's football.
You play football. Very good. And what do you do on a Sunday?
Sundays is 2 hours and drawing a picture.
You like drawing a picture? Very good. Thank you. Okay, so these are months of the year. Okay. So can you tell me, what month is this?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very good. Thank you. And can you tell me, what drinks are these, please? So what drink is that?
It's soda.
Yep.
It's lemonade.
Yeah, lemonade. Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Yeah.
It's meaty.
Yeah, very good. Thank you. And can you tell me, what food is this?
It's pizza.
Yeah. What are they?
Bread.
And what's that one?
Cheese.
Yeah, very good. Okay. And what's this?
Birthday cake.
Very good.
Jam.
Yeah.
Fried chicken.
Yeah, very good.
Sausage.
Very good. And can you tell me, please, when is your birthday party?
My birthday is in January.
Yeah.
I have a birthday party at my house. My family and my friends come to my party. I went to eat some pizza, popcorn,
Yeah.
and watermelon.
Very nice.
I went to drink some milk teas,
Yeah.
juice.
Yeah. Very good.
I get many presents
Yeah. Presents. Yeah.
from my family and friends.
Good.
We sing a happy birthday song.
Good.
We play game.
Yeah.
We take photos together.
Very good.
I am very happy at my birthday party.
Very good. Thank you, Ben.